What's up, gangbang? It's your girl Siani in the building. I'm Scrum, I'm Sailing, I'm still standing. But before we get started with this video, make sure you subscribe, turn on notification bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. So it's gonna now. Anyway, what's up, y'all? I'm getting it. Anyway, I'm doing this adjustment on my Instagram. Of course, my Instagram, you guys. Who is an unknown number? Okay, you guys, as I was saying. Okay, anyways, y'all, as I was saying, I was talking about, yeah, I'm pranking. So I'm gonna prank, and basically I'm playing with slime. Also, but it's more personal. But on my Instagram, and not a long time, after this video, I'm gonna put I forgot. Oh, I'm gonna put, should I do a handshake like this, it's like saying, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, Siani. Hey, Hills, and hey, Hills. Yeah, and I don't remember that. So, you know what? I'll pick another one. Put y'all down in the comments. What do you think I should do? But, yeah, let's get into this video. You guys, the camera won't turn off. You know what, guys? Whatever. It takes all the forever. Turn on, so let's go. Leave in the room. Let's go to the kitchen, guys. Huh?
Bring my phone to the bathroom. I got to bring him in here.
Ooh, and it stinks. It stank, Grandma. Okay, you guys, as I said, what's up, y'all? I'm not so suspicious when I do that. So, what's up? What's up? I'm playing with some slime. This is a good prank, so I'm gonna act like, so, yeah. So, you guys know how girls bring me some slime, right? And then they like, don't mess up that slime. Don't put it nowhere. Don't get it places. And dude, I'm gonna prank them. Obviously, the only reason I'm gonna prank them, because my mom, she pranked me, and they was in it, and I'm getting my mom back when I go over her. Well, I'm going over her. I'm actually is over at her house, but she has two houses, of course. She has an apartment in her house, and they both exactly the same. They both have 2 bathrooms. They both have 3 bedrooms. They both have a kitchen. They both have a dining room. They both have 2 living rooms, and they both have like a L hallway. Yeah. Let's get into this slow. Okay, so you guys, I have the height. Okay, so you guys, I have the height, y'all. So if you won't be able to see it, it'll be fine. But let me get you height. always getting a prank star, so I need to get one thing. The slime, of course. Why would it be a prank with no slime? A lot of people ask, what is your TikTok name? And of course, you guys know. That's why I said peace and all that, because I wasn't really doing want nobody thinks that I'm strong vlog. Tomorrow, but tomorrow for tomorrow's vlog. Well, you know we have 3 vlogs, well 2 vlogs every day. Me and her, oh my gosh, me and Darian share a channel. And I have my own channel. And she's going to get her channel soon as she, what's the thing called? Oh, soon as we hit 100 subscribers, we going to get, well, on our regular channel, which we'll share together, and I'm pretty sure we'll have, like, these subscribers. But as soon as we hit 100 subscribers, that's going to be lit! The only reason why we have to hit 100 is only because, like, if we don't hit 100, then it'll be hard for her to make her own channel, and then she won't have as much subscribers as, like, I do. I have way more, if I be honest, I'm trying to get up to 100 subscribers, not just on this channel, but on the other channel. We know that one is mostly our little sister, our little sister's channel, and she is not having enough fun. But please dedicate this, like CJ so cool. Yeah, cause so cool, so cool. Ooh, but you saw? Oh, this girl, we posted a video last night. And we usually post every 24 hours, but we don't always feel like posting every 24 hours. We feel like posting like before that, but yeah. Our Norman channel is at Saya. As soon as I hit 5 subscribers on the, ooh, beautiful story, guys. The reason why I'm just playing with the slime, which I might just turn like that, because she's not going to do anything. So I'm going to crack her shit and get it off. Oh, and then one day you guys down in my, follow me on Instagram and it'll be easier. I have 30 followers on Instagram and nobody follow me on YouTube. That's what I don't understand. You don't even have to watch the video. I just want like, I'm just going to take it out loud because it's not going to sound like it. Yeah, okay, so you got it. If you can see, haha. Okay, wait, now I'm just playing with slime. This is mostly, you know what, I would turn this into a morning routine because I really don't start my morning routine until 10:30, so just wait. You know what, you guys? 10:30 comes a long time, especially around here when you're not used to like doing that. I'm usually up before 10:30, like only on the weekends, and of course it's Saturday, so I'm up before 10:30. But on the weekdays, especially when school comes, I'm way up before 10:30. And just saying, on the weekend, the only reason why I didn't sleep good is because, you know, I was on the phone all night, and it caused me from sleeping good sometimes. And I just wake up so early, like, oh, I'm so on the phone. And I be feeling like it's just a few minutes later. But look, you guys, haha, slime. If you know Tamara Remanzer, whatever that name called, anyway. But we made a video about how she hates people so cool. You guys see me? Oh. Okay, now you're back. lit. And if you guys, the people who follow me on TikTok, they really don't know that I have a YouTube channel. But I'm gonna add it on my TikTok, so yeah. Oh my god. I'm usually yo. The slime. Best believe me, the slime is still on there. But look, you guys. Ugh. Oh. She's not gonna. Oh my gosh, you guys. But anyway, I'm gonna cook some breakfast and we getting started on morning routine. Because it's right now 10:30. But let's. Okay, so right now I'm not gonna do that on Instagram. But I'm gonna do it later on. But I'm gonna get my backpack to go backpack when I always have to go somewhere. So let me show you how I pack. So basically, I have some McDonald's tickets. I don't know why. I got these, you know. I mean, you have to go in disguise like this. I look different, do I? Do I look different? Okay, yeah. I can go disguise as a guy. Just kidding, you can't. That's terrible. I can just go. Yeah. It's not the only disguise thing I have. Like a couple other things. I have this. I have money to buy me some disguise, you know? And I have like $2. Wait, I have more than $2. You know what? I don't care because I'm getting $20. 22, who cares? Here. I have change in here for some reason. And of course, you never can leave home without this. Oh, and when I go into disguise, I'm like, you want a piece of bubble gum? 50 cents each. Let's do it. Let me get 8 bubble gum, please. Remember to keep Snapchat because you can go on the slides on video chats. Okay, there. Okay, so. Hold up. Back. Oh, going back up. Put this on the thing. If you guys wondering, where's my white bag? Didn't I bring it in last year? Okay, you guys. Everybody know I'm going to Justice and I'm getting some, like, 2 or 3 more new mini bags because, like, this one I really like, but I don't know. That white one, actually is dirty and it's like a whole bunch of hot Cheetos in it. And yeah, this one. And it smells good, but it does. Well, you know what? I can't wash that stuff out. I need some soap and water. But anyways, let's end this vlog, squad. And at the end of every video, put hashtag. Put hashtag. What's it called again? Hashtag Hills, and then you get a shout out at the next video. So whoever get is like 10 people. Whoever get there in the first 60 minutes. Peace. Peace.